Hello friends, welcome you all to Polity Simplified series of Dnyanadeep Academy. Today's focus of the article or focus of our preparation is article number 42. A very interesting article. Article 42 talks about a very important point, that is state should make an attempt to provide just and human conditions of work along with maternity relief for all working women. For this addition, we have started having a paternity leave also. So basically I am telling you that those people who are working, whether it is in government agency or it is in private agency, it is in organized sector, unorganized sector, basically there are certain difficulties in giving all this protection to the people who are working in unorganized sector. But definitely government is making every minute effort, every possible effort to provide all these kinds of good provisions for the people who are working in organized sector, to provide just and human conditions of work. Basically, let's try to understand what this article wants to say. A very interesting article. It says that the state shall make provision. So it shall be duty of state to make provision for securing just and human conditions of work. If you go to certain places, you will realize that outside that particular industry, various charts are printed, various charts are pasted. Like when this premises was colored, when this premises was ventilated, what is the status of ventilation, what is the building structure. So everything has been provided, whether adequate storage facilities available, water facilities available, sanitary facilities are available, whether lactating mothers have that particular room for feeding their kids, whether all these facilities are available at the workplace or not, shall be taken care of by this article 42. That is, it wants that state should take care to provide just and human conditions of work, and also providing maternity relief to every. So they are not talking about maternity relief, they are talking about maternity relief. That is, every possible attempt should be made. Every possible attempt should be made for providing every little care, every little relief to the women who is suffering from the pains of maternity. So it talks about maternity relief. See, when you go through all important current events, you will realize that you can link every government scheme with at least one of the directive principles of state policy. That's why it is always said that directive principles of state policy are fundamental in the governance of this nation. Thank you.